Welcome back to my channel where we deep dive into the hows, whys, and what on topics that bring you closer to self-awareness. Today's topic is activities that you can do to start bringing your desires into your reality. Hello, my name is TammyRenee, and I am a manifesting transformational mentor, a energy healer, and a creative speaker. Activities that you can do to start bringing your desires into reality. Tuesday, the last video before this prior video, we talked about the actionable steps that you need to do in order to manifest. Today, we're going to talk about the things that you can do physically outside of you to manifest your desires. So speaking back on the last episode, we're going to go over each of the topics and I'll give you examples or things that you can do to touch in on those 5 actionable. The first one is visualizing. So we talk more about that and we'll have a special episode just on visualization. But again, you want to sit in quiet, clear your mind, and you can just start thinking about it. Just think about it. You might not be at the point where you're visualizing yet. You just want to start thinking about it. And the more that you do this, the more that it will become clearer and clearer. Okay. The second thing was know thyself. Activities that you can do to know thyself is, again, get quiet, slow down. So tending to yourself, you can go for a spa day, you can meditate, you can sit out in nature, just know yourself. Another way to do that is write. You can write about the things that you like, write about the things that make you unhappy, write about the things that just kind of help you clear your mind so that you can sit and just be one with who you are. The third thing was goals. To connect with goals, what you need to do is sit down and write them. Write out your goals. And once you write out your goals, you can write under those the actions that you need to take in order to achieve that goal. So writing out your goals will be very powerful for you to break down smaller goals to hit in order to reach that big giant goal you have in your head. Fourth thing was connecting your senses. Connecting your senses with your goals. That means you need to feel it, you need to see it, you need to hear it, and you need to be part of it. To connect with your senses, again, this will follow back into the visualization. This will fall into the writing. And this will also fall into connecting with who you are. Get very clear on what your core values are. When you can figure out and you know your core values, you can then start connecting your goals with who you are and supercharging that manifestation. For example, I love change. I love change. I am always in this energy of change. I love change. So one of the things that I do is I travel. I love to travel. So I incorporate traveling into my life. I make sure that I can travel because that helps me stay grounded. That helps me stay connected with who I am. The last thing is engaging in activities. So if there's something you want, let's say it's just as simple as new shoes. You want new shoes. You want to engage. How do you engage with manifesting new shoes? Well, I'm going to tell you. I'm going to share with you how to do that. And if you can do it with shoes, you can do it with anything. So you want to say, you want these new shoes. Well, what you can do to engage in activities to get those new shoes is start going to shoe stores. Look at different shoes. Find the exact pair of shoes that you want. Then you know, under that, in order to get those shoes, you need to have the money. So now we got to figure out, how do we engage into having the money? Well, do you need to set a little bit of money aside to get those shoes? Or maybe that money is going to come to you from somewhere. You never know, but you have to have a goal. You have to have a plan on how you will manifest. Manifestation is not magic. It don't just happen. You take the actions, shift your mind, and make it happen. That's what manifestation is. So those are some activities that you can engage in that will help you bring your realities and the things that you desire to you. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on that notification button so that you don't miss a moment to get closer to who you are.